Okay, swimming stand. Always have a duel because this is some Mitch who's up next. It's quite a close run battle between the two of them actually. Okay, stand then, he's starting off. Hands not on up yet, he's sat on the head of the ski. And goes up and he whistles the ski round for him, 360 hook spin. And it goes again very quickly for 180 hook spin. Another 180 spin into a Superman. Stands trademark tricks as he goes for a 180 Superman hook spin with a ride out. No-handed Superman. Very difficult trick to do. With another 180 Superman hook spin. He's making this look so easy as he spins his way towards it. Whistles that ski round again for a 180 hook spin and a kamikaze dive over the front of the ski.
Oh dear.
I can't tell you how difficult those Supermen are. He's palming that ski with his foot. And to spin the ski round with your feet like that is so difficult. Foot goes up onto the handlebars again as he goes for a bulldog. Three single faces, one-handed, no-handed.
Rodeo! Rodeo, Graham! Bulldog! Get your act together!
That was a perfect rodeo with a ride out. No-handed, 5 rotations and put on a side strainer as he spins the ski round to a 180 Marriott throw. Stands on fire.
And yet, you know, it's odd because Stan came back after practicing and said, oh, I'm skiing absolute pants at the moment. Just goes to show, Mitch, it's on.
You want to smack him on the nose more often, girl. Okay, 15 seconds, Stan. He's forward, stuck on the hood of the ski. And he's going for a hood rodeo.